too good.
So happy, like I'm in heaven. Hi guys, it's Foodie Tracker here. I'm currently in Tire Izmir. I'll be traveling to a village called Buyukkale. I'm going to try out wood fire borek. So sac böreği in Turkish, but wood fire borek. I'm so excited. It's a unique taste. It's much better than other boreks you can eat. Wood fire borek is the best borek. We're going to go try it out today from the locals. Only arrived here after 20 minutes drive to the destination. I'm so excited. Just thinking about the borek, my mouth is watering. Let's go and see the locals. Borek will be cooked in this location. Hi guys. I'm currently at the location, wood fire oven. It's all lit up, just waiting to warm up and to taste that magnificent taste of sac böreği, wood fire böreği. Oh, I'm excited guys, I'm excited. She's already prepared the böreği. As you can see, the outside and certain in the middle sections with spinach, and the ones that look like very light colour white, cheesy borek, or we call it cheese borek. And you got your vegetarian borek, which is spinach, chives and mixed spearmint in it. So it's still getting warmed up, the sac. As soon as it gets warmed up, we'll be putting the borek in there, and a good 15 minutes will be nice and cooked, nice and crispy. Can't wait. Captures the borek right there. As you can see, it's cooking the top bit of it.
Onun altı pişerken şey yapmayacak mı yenge sen?
See, nice and crispy on the top. She's currently preparing to place that borek on top of those bricks, and as such, like a shield, such as like a shield. She's going to place that shield on top of the borek right in the wood fire oven. Just oh yeah, can't wait. So we're moving away. Bit of water splash on top of the borek. She's picking up the shield such. Getting closer. And she'll place that such on top of the borek. Getting closer. One quick look. Yep. She's looking at the bottom, see if it's cooked. Oh yeah, it's still a bit more to go. Yeah, that side's not bad. Bit more to go. Not that side. She'll adjust the bird accordingly where it's where the fire is to get it actually perfectly cooked. Splash of water underneath. A bit more, so it doesn't get stuck to the base of the such.
Bunu ben şimdi alacağım. Biliyor, altı yanacak sonra. Çekmesi için bunu koyacağım üzerine.
Yep. So placing back on top of the borek to get the top bit cooked.
Sonra bir daha koyarız orayı, tamam.
And then a few moments later we'll place the such back on the firewood oven. Nice and cooked on top.
Pişmiş oldu. Bir de çeksin nasıl koyuyorsun buradan. Hadi.
Few minutes on there and it's ready to go. Oh, look at that. Magnificent.
Çekti ben.
Super.
Bu da yerine gitsin diye. Şimdi de örtüsünü kapatalım bari.
Just to cool down, we sit here for a few moments and then it'll be ready to eat.
Nasılsana şey? Kiremit gibi pişti galiba.
Oh. Şimdi sana ayıp olacak ama şuradan koparmazsam.
That moment has come. Before I try the boreks and I'm going to break my fast. Soup, şehriye çorbası got. It's got beef stock in it, rice, shreds of, look how tender the meat is. A bit of rice, as you can see. Have a first crack, I didn't know how to taste at it. Oh, the meat, so tender, it just melts. And the broth is pretty good. Then I got the vine.
Şey kapatmayın ya üstüne.
Ya öyle kalsın. Öyle kalsın bir şey değil. Öyle bir şey değil. Vine leaves stuffed with rice, bit of lemon juice I've spread over it as they get cooked. I'll try that. Oh. Magnificent. So I'll try the boreks. This one's a cheesy borek. Oh, very unique taste, very beautiful taste. A must try, guys. A must try cheesy one. Look at the cheese. And the spinach with cheese. This is a drink. I swear I just drink. Magnificent. Guys, you must come here. Must come to Tire Izmir. So, she's also cooked me onion with salsa sauce spread all over it, which is my favourite. I'll have first try it again and see how it is. Oh. There's too much. I'm being spoiled here. So much boreks, spinach borek, cheese borek, onion with salsa spread borek, vine leaves with rice, the soup with tender beef, just melts in your mouth. Overall, a 10 out of 10 dish. A must come when you come to Turkey. Come to Izmir today. Ask the locals, eat with the locals, enjoy with the locals. What a magnificent. My mouth's still full of borek. It's just so amazing. It's like a dream, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.